Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, guys, I got something good for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make a mustard fried barbecue ribs. Okay? And here's my mustard, here's my barbecue sauce, and here's my seasonings right here. Alright, and here's my these are my riblets right here. And I have some flour. I have a cup and a half of flour right here. Alright, so let me put this out the way. We're going to go ahead and get to our seasoning. We're going to come in here with half a teaspoon of salt. Just going to sprinkle that on there. Like so. We're going to come in here with some teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because a lot of people, I don't know if they trolls or not, but they always comment and saying I'm using too much. So that's why I'm showing you what I'm doing. Alright, this is granulated garlic. I'm coming with a half a teaspoon of that. Alright. Granulated onion. We're going to come with a half a teaspoon of that. Alright, this is Old Bay seasoning right here. We're going to come with like a teaspoon of that. Okay. Alright, we're going to put that to the side. We come in here with our hands. Just move this around a little bit. I did let my meat rest for about a good half an hour. You want to take the chill off of these. Alright, wash my hands. Give me a paper towel right here. I'm going to come in here with some mustard. It's going to be about a tablespoon of mustard. Well, 2 tablespoons. Like so. Just like that, guys. We're just going to mix this around up in here. This works a whole lot better if you do it like for 24 hours in like a Ziploc bag or a bowl or something. Tastes that much better. That mustard don't do nothing but tenderize the meat and make it taste very flavorful. And I'm going to cook this, guys, for about at least good 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm just trying to make sure they all got some mustard on it. So we didn't put no seasoning in here. If you want to, you could. Well, all my seasoning is right there. Alright, we're just going to put this in the bag. What I like to do is just shake them up one at a time. Just like so. And when I get done putting all of these in here, I'm gonna let this sit in this flour for about good 5 minutes, just so it can stick on there really well. I got my deep fryer on 350, and like I said, I'm gonna cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes, at least 8. Depending on the brownness of it. These ribs are going to cook up real fast. I'm not going to lie to you guys. They will cook up fast. Especially if you leave these like overnight. They tenderize that meat really well. But and also, when you do leave them overnight and you start to prepare them, still let them sit out for about good half an hour, okay? So you want them room temperature. This is just a little piece, a little sampler. Alright, and I'm going to let that rest, guys. I'm going to let that rest just like that for about 5 minutes. You can do them like this. And then I'm going to fry these up. And I'm going to show you how these look when they get done in like 8 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done we're not finally done. I'm done frying up these mustard fried barbecue ribs. This is how that looks up close. Alright. And they are delicious. Remember that little sample I had? Ooh, OMG. Alright, so I have a pan right here. We're going to pop this in the oven and let this barbecue sauce set up on there. But before that, we just got to put these in a bowl. Just like that. You let them rest too. When you get done frying them, let them rest. Please do. You're just going to pour some barbecue sauce in here. Just like that. Lightly coated. Just like you do your chicken wings. You can toss them around, put a bowl on it. I mean, put a lid on it. Just like that, guys. Alright. Alright. The barbecue Sweet Baby Ray's tastes good. Ooh, Jesus. Alright. So this is about roughly a half a cup. Or you can use a brush. So here's a little brush. You can just brush them on there or whatever. Make sure they get well coated. Barbecue will never be the same for you guys, I guarantee you. So I'm just going to lay these on the pan. Nice little thin coat. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm going to cook this in the oven for about good, not even that long, actually about 5 minutes on 350. Then I'm going to take them out, serve them up to you guys, show you guys how they really look. But they pretty much going to look like this. Alright. So okay guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm finally done with this mustard fried barbecue ribs. Okay? I'm going to show you that up close. That's how that looks. Alright. And of course, you know, my meal would not be complete unless I had some macaroni and some Brussels sprouts. So this is just my macaroni. Right here. Here's my Brussels sprout. Alright. Alright guys. Now if you enjoyed this recipe and like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, of course, hit that bell for me. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love.